I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. Tingnan natin ang update sa energy. There's actually a jumper in here, wisdom. So gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And I also want you to know na ito po ay timeless reading, no? So kung kailan nyo ito mapanood, no, the message is meant to find you. So wisdom, mental conflict, and the throat chakra. So may pagtitimpi, no? Gusto na sana nating magsalita, gusto na sana nating bumoka, no? Gusto na nating magkaroon ng confrontation, either makipag-usap, magwala, pero parang sinasabi mo dito, I want to become a bigger person. Nandito kasi yung gigil na, no? Nandito yung gigil natin. Have you been in a situation na tinitrigger ka, magsalita, pinipikon ka talaga, iniinis ka talaga, humihinga ka na lang ng malalim. Pero parang you're about to lose your shit, no? Konting-konti na lang, parang may bibinggo, no? Kasi the more na hindi ka kumikibo, the more na hindi mo binibigay yung gusto nila, parang gusto nitong taong to or ng mga taong ito. Wala pa naman dito yung tarot cards, oracle cards pa lang to. Parang gusto nito or nitong mga taong ito, ipakita mo yung bad side mo. Lumaban ka. Para kasing iniisip mo rin dito, pag ginawa ko yun, feeling ko nanalo na sila agad, no? Binigay ko yung gusto nilang mainis ako, magalit ako. Pangalawa, pwedeng yung gagawin ko, they might going to use it against me, no? They might going to use this information or my action, no? Para baligtarin ang situation. Pero gusto ko nang lumaban, no? Parang gusto kong kurutin ng nail cutter, yan, yung mga ganyan. Para kung gusto kong kotongan ng martilyo, no? Pero hindi mo ginagawa. And yung sinabi ko, it's more of, ano lang yun metaphor. I'm not, I'm not provoking you to do so. No? Violence is not hindi natin ina-advocate yan. With the 9 of Pentacles. So, kasi 9 of Pentacles, you should be having your, sabihin natin ditong harvest, no? You should be having your, parang mas inaano mo dito yung mental health. What can I do to turn things around into more positive situation rather than talagang ibigay ko sa kanila, no? Rather than bigay ko talaga yung inis, yung galit, no? Paano ko maipamumuka sa kanila na I'm not being affected, no? With the Devil card, ayan ang sinasabi ko. Kasi with the Devil card, baka kasi, mapindot nila, no? Yung trigger mo. At eto na nga. Kasi nakakita ko dito ng pagganti. And that's actually hard. Napapansin ko dito na ngingiti-ngiti ka lang, no? Kakalma-kalma ka lang, titingin-tingin ka lang, pero with the devil card, ibang klase to kapag nagalit, no? Parang kahit si Satanas mahihiya dito, no? Parang kahit si Satanas is more of, parang, ay, putanginan to mas malala pala to, no? Have you seen that clip? Para kasing meron dito akong naalala, parang, sa jeep, may binubulong, sabing ganun nung devil na character. Wag ka magbayad, mag 1, 2, 3 ka na lang. Di, yung sa kabila naman yung angel, magbayad ka, kawawa naman si Mano. And then, of course, yung human made a decision, no? Sabi niya, hindi na lang ako magbabayad. So, poof, nawala si Angel. So, parang ngumingisi-ngisi na itong devil, no? And then, biglang bumoka, no? Itong pasahero. Manong yung sukli ko, gulat ngayon, no? Naggulat itong devil na parang, ay putangin mo, mas ano ka pa pala sa akin. Mas walang hiya ka pa pala sa akin. Parang ganon. So, yun siguro din, kaya you're controlling yourself kasi alam mo kung paano ka magalit, no? Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, baka meron ka mga magawa na ayaw mong pagsisihan. Ito kasi yung yung part na hindi ako takot gumante or hindi ako duwag, no? Kaya hindi ako lumalaban. Takot ako sa sarili ko dahil pag nasimulan ko na, hindi ko to tatantanan, no? Gusto ko durog na durog kapag ginantihan ko. With the Star, the Hermit, and the Strength card. I think that also you might going to do in here is hindi kita iba-block, no? Ayan. Hindi kita iba-block, wala akong ipopost. So, napaka prim and proper. Yan. Pero gusto kong makita mo yung success ko. Gusto ko makita mo yung pagbabago ko. Gusto ko makita mo yung improvements. Gusto ko makita mo yung pagyaman ko, pagganda ko, pagkinis ko, what have you. Yung progress, no? Yun yung gusto mong parang sasabi mo dito, silence and success is my revenge. It's not about you, it's about me, no? Ipapamukha ko sa'yo. Siguro meron din ditong mga traumas, no? From the past relationship. Baka kasi sabihin natin, ipinagpalit ka sa either mas maputi, or pinagpalit ka sa foreigner, or pinagpalit ka sa mas moreno, or morena, or mas pinagpalit ka sa mas buff yung katawan, or slim, or mas mataba, or mas chubby, or what have you, no? Hindi ko to gagawin for you, no? Yun yung parang sinasabi mo nito, I am doing all of this for me, no? And I think it's time for me to reinvent myself, no? It's time for me to change something, for me to see some improvements. Ayan. So with the 6 of Swords, the Sun, and the 8 of Wands, I feel like kapag na-achieve mo itong improvements na ito, I feel like kapag na-achieve mo itong goal mo, no? I feel like your person is going to communicate with you. Hindi lang ito face-to-face. Hindi nga lang siya face-to-face. But then again, would you still matter? I mean, would your person still matter to you? Kasi with the 6 of Cups and the 10 of Swords, parang dito mo sasabihin na huli na ang lahat. Yes, namimiss ko or mamimiss ko yung tao, but mangingibabaw pa rin yung mga ginawa, no? And parang sinasabi mo dito, I can get a person and I deserve a person more than you do. So I think that this is once you actually achieve the goal, parang dito mo maiisip at first, siguro, at first, revenge. And then, habang na-achieve mo na siya, habang nandun ka na sa tugatog ng iyong tagumpay, doon mo masasabi, why would I? No? Nandito na ako, blessed na ako. I think that this is me, yun na lang, panghihinayangan mo na sinayang mo ko. But it felt like success is really in your path, and I feel like yun ang magiging best revenge mo. No? So, this is the reading. Let me know kung ikaw ay nakaka-resonate. And kung meron ka mga personal questions, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Pisces. I am seeing Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius. Virgo is very dominant, no? Leo is also dominant. I am seeing Scorpio is here, Libra is here. Yeah, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.